Have you ever wished parking your car was easier and safer? Installing reverse parking sensors can help you avoid obstacles and park with confidence. Here's how it's done. First, gather your tools. Most parking sensor kits come with sensors, a control box, wiring, a buzzer or display, and a hole saw for drilling. Start by cleaning the rear bumper. Measure and mark the locations where the sensors will be installed. Make sure the sensors are evenly spaced and positioned at the recommended height from the ground. Next, carefully drill the holes using the hole saw included in the kit. Take your time and double-check your measurements before drilling. Once the holes are ready, insert the sensors into the bumper. Most sensors snap into place and are labeled according to their position. Now route the sensor wires through the bumper and into the trunk area. Connect each sensor wire to the control box according to the manufacturer's instructions. The control box needs power. Locate the reverse light wiring and connect the sensor system's power wire to the positive reverse light wire. This ensures the sensors activate only when the car is shifted into reverse. Connect the ground wire to a clean metal grounding point on the vehicle. If your kit includes a buzzer or display, mount it in a convenient location and connect it to the control box. Before putting everything back together, test the system. Turn on the ignition, shift into reverse, and place an object behind the car. The sensor should detect it and provide an audible or visual warning. If everything works correctly, secure all wiring with zip ties and reinstall any panels you removed. And that's it. You've successfully installed reverse parking sensors and added an extra layer of safety to your vehicle.